Black Power. This is Kofi Taharka from the National Black United Front. Wanted to give a history lesson, a testimony to the good works that the Nation of Islam, Muhammad Mosque number 45, under the leadership and direction of Dr. Abdul Halim, have done. I'm with the National Black United Front. Many years ago, we had a very challenging financial situation in order to hold on to our building, our headquarters. When we talked to our brothers and sisters in the Nation of Islam, Sister Helen Muhammad told us, well, we don't have any money we can give you, but we'll do a car wash for the organization. We came out to the car wash, the members of MBUF. It was a very hot day, and the brothers and sisters from Mosque 45 worked in the hot sun, washed their own cars, cleaned their own cars, as well as other people in the line, and then gave us the money. So those type of things in terms of true unity, practicing what we preach, is something in the National Black United Front that we take very seriously, and we salute the brothers and sisters of Muhammad Mosque number 45 for all of their good works. And I had to come get my car washed today in 2018, and this was probably 15 years ago that this happened. Thank you.